Happy Thursday, Thursday math, and we're working on fact families. I miss singing to you guys in the classroom. So today I'm going to just show you, this one's pretty easy and it's a little bit like art. We're going to do one little thing about fact families just for practice. I know you guys worked on it Monday, we worked on it Tuesday, we did some of it in our problem solving on Wednesday, yesterday, and today we're gonna do one little fun thing on fact families. So let me show you, let me pause this and I'll show you what we're gonna work on. So here we have two sets of numbers for fact families. I'm gonna show you what I want you to do using these numbers, 8, 7, and 15, and then you're going to do it by yourself using 6, 7, and 13. Okay, so I'm going to use the numbers 8, 7, and 15. So let's do this. So here's my paper, and I've got the numbers. So first what I'm going to do, let me fix the camera so you guys can see the whole paper first of all. Is that better? No? Ooh, excuse me, that was, okay. Oh, I don't like it when it does that. All right, here we go. I should have done this before I started the video, but y'all know me. I'm just how I roll. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw at the top. We're gonna draw a triangle like this, and then we're gonna draw a big square like this. All right, can you guys see that? Yeah. And then we're gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4 small squares. So it's kind of like a little house, okay? So my numbers were 8, 7, and 15, right? Okay, so in a fact family, as you know, you always have 2 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems. So I'm going to do 2 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is an addition problem right here, and I'm going to use the smaller numbers when we're doing with a fact family with the addition problems. So I'm going to do 8 plus 7 equals 15. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Okay, now for the second addition problem, all I need to do is flip these numbers. 7 plus 8 equals 15. So there's my 2 addition problems. Now, we're going to use, see, we've got the same numbers, 8, 8, 7, 7, 15, 15. These are the only numbers that should be in all 4 of these windows. That's why it's a fact family. So now we're going to switch down here to the bottom part of the house, and we're going to do the subtraction part. So when we do the subtraction part, we always have to start with the bigger number. So I'll do 15 minus 8 equals 7. And then the other one will be 15 minus 7 equals 8. And what you have to do is you have to check to make sure that the only numbers you used are these numbers up here. That's how you know you got the fact family correct, okay? So what I want you to do is take a paper, any paper, ask your mom, draw the house, and I want you to use, let me show you what I want you to use. I want you to use 6, 7, and 13. Okay, those are the numbers I want you to use. I want you to use the numbers 6, 7, and 13. So on your paper, your house will have a 13 at the top, a 6, and a 7, okay? If you want to do mine as well, you can. You don't have to. The one I really want you to do is 6, 7, and 13, okay? So good luck. Have fun if you want to. Now, I didn't have time to do it because I was, teaching y'all. If you want to, you could color your house, decorate your house. You could use different colors for each part of the fact family. You could, make it your own. Make it look however you want it to look. Just make sure your numbers are not backwards. They have to be the right way, and make sure that you've used the only numbers that you're supposed to use in your fact family. Okay? Goodbye. I love you. I miss you. And I loved teaching you math. Bye, first graders.